Steve from Pacific Lawn Sprinklers here, and this video is called Your Money, okay? So I just wanted to explain a little bit of the process that happens with our franchisees when it comes to their money and collecting money and kind of running their business. So we've had a lot of questions for some guys who are like, well, I don't want to be involved with your franchise system because, you know, you're going to take my money or you have control over my money or something like that. I just wanted to make that really clear to you guys of how this actually works, because that's the complete opposite of how it works. All right, so obviously you're going to do service. When you're a Pacific franchisee, if you watch the other videos, your kind of role is to focus on the field work. You're out there doing the work, we do all the back end stuff. So you're out in the field, okay? Once you do your job, the customer is going to pay you, okay? Going to pay you through one of our automated softwares. We have a tablet which can collect credit card, we can scan checks, you can take cash, whatever it is. They're going to pay you on site in the field. It's going to go into our tablet, into our software, and it's going to get filed, and it's going to keep track of everything right there. So that money goes directly, and this is the point I really want to make clear, it goes directly into your bank account, okay? Because it's your money. You are your own business. Okay, just because you're a franchise doesn't mean you don't work for us. Okay, you are your own business, just utilizing our system to help you. You're utilizing the software here. You're utilizing how you actually got to the job, the ads, the people on the back end scheduling you to actually get there and collect that money. You're utilizing the system so that you can get the money and put it into your bank account. We do not play any part in this. We do not touch your money. We do not take it from you. We do not do anything like that. What we do offer, what service we do offer, which is optional, is a bookkeeping service, where our bookkeeping service will basically manage your money. Okay, now again, this is optional. We charge about $6,200 for the year. We'll come in here if you'd like, and we'll help balance your books and say, okay, this bill is due today, this bill's due Friday, you juggle the money around. We'll help you do that. It's just a service that we offer for our franchises to help them keep them organized. But some of our franchises choose not to do it. They choose to do it on their own and manage their own finances. That's totally up to you. But really the point of this video, and what I really wanted to make clear, guys, is that it is your money, okay? You're just utilizing our system. So you're running your own business just like you would if you didn't know who Pacific was. You're running your own business, but you just have a full system to help that money actually come in front of you and go into your bank account.